Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Apple ID and turning on Books in iCloud so your purchases and bookmarks sync across devices. Once done, open the Books app and pick Reading Now or the bookstore to find titles. This is your action point. Make sure to allow downloads over Wi-Fi or cellular based on storage needs and enable automatic downloads for purchased books. These steps get you into the ecosystem and let you start buying, sampling, or importing books immediately. You're now managing and reading. Import EPUB or PDFs, then organize them into collections to separate fiction, reference, or textbooks. Once inside a book, use search, table of contents, and page thumbnails to jump around quickly. Highlight and add notes to capture ideas. Make sure to adjust font size, theme, and margin for comfortable reading, and enable position sync so your last page follows you between devices. If available, turn on narration or read, allowed to listen while you complete purchases in the bookstore and can sample a chapter before buying. Use family sharing to let others access purchases without repurchasing. If a title won't download, restore purchases by visiting your account in the store and re-downloading from the cloud. For stubborn sync or missing notes, make sure iCloud for Books is enabled, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and update iOS or the Books app. If problems persist, restart the device as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.